Introducing the MARBERO Portable Power Station M82, your ultimate portable power solution for camping, road trips, emergencies, and more. With its compact design, powerful features, and multiple output options, this device is a must-have for anyone on the go or preparing for unexpected power outages. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. The package includes the MARBERO Portable Power Station M82, a power adapter, a cigarette lighter output cable, and a detailed user manual. Let's dive into what makes this power station stand out. First up, let's talk about charging efficiency. The M82 can charge from 0 to 80% in just 2 hours using the included adapter. And here's the best part, you can use it to charge other devices simultaneously while it's charging itself. Think of it as a portable charging strip, perfect for maximizing efficiency. Planning an outdoor adventure? Pair it with MARBERO's dedicated 30W or 60W solar panel for efficient charging under the sun. Whether you're camping in the backyard or deep in the wilderness, staying powered up has never been easier. The MARBERO M82 is designed with portability in mind. Measuring just 6.5 by 4.6 by 3.1 inches, it's about the size of a basic DSLR camera and weighs only 3.2 pounds. The lightweight plastic case and ergonomic handle make it easy to carry wherever you go, be it camping, road trips, or even to your office or school. One of the standout features of this power station is its 8 output ports, allowing you to power multiple devices at once. Whether it's your car fridge, vacuum cleaner, air compressor, or even small home appliances like TVs and projectors, the M82 has you covered. Need to charge your gadgets quickly? The USB and USB-C PD ports can fully charge a phone in just 1 hour, a tablet in 1.5 hours, and a laptop in 2 hours. It's an essential companion for road trips or remote work setups. Now let's talk about the built-in flashlight. The M82 features 3 brightness levels and an SOS mode, making it a lifesaver during emergencies. At the lowest brightness, it can light up a small room for up to 68 hours. On higher settings, it's perfect for night walks or lighting up a larger space. And in critical situations, the international SOS frequency can be a real lifesaver. Safety is a top priority with the MARBERO M82. Its battery management system, BMS, ensures advanced safety operations, including voltage control, temperature control, and short-circuit protection. With cooling vents on the back, the power station maintains a stable temperature, ensuring durability and reliability. In case of overload or short circuit, it automatically shuts off to protect itself and your devices. In summary, the MARBERO Portable Power Station M82 is compact, efficient, and packed with features to keep you powered up wherever you go. With its versatile output options, fast charging capabilities, and robust safety features, it's an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone looking to stay prepared during power outages. Ready to experience the convenience of portable power? Check out the link below and grab yours today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and follow us on social media for exclusive content and the latest news.